Here is a GE Winnemucca air conditioner, which has just stickers on the side. Here's the original remote for it, so it works perfectly fine, as you may know. Change the fan speeds on it. Change to low, for example, medium, high, and change it to automatic. Change the mode as well. I'm going to keep it to cool at the moment. You can change the temperature as well. And then you power back off. So that's showing off this window unit.